Stop missing out on the dialogue. Here's how to enable subtitles and closed captioning on FuboTV in 3 quick steps. I'm your guide from Sleek Guides, and today we're making FuboTV's accessibility features work for you across all devices. Step 1. Web browser. While watching, move your cursor to show the player controls at the bottom. Click the C icon in the bottom right corner and choose your language. It's that simple. Now let's switch to your living room setup. Step 2. Connected devices. On Roku, Fire TV, or Android TV, press the up arrow on your remote. Navigate to the CC icon above the progress bar and hit select to toggle them on. Roku users can also press the asterisk button for a quick accessibility side menu. Finally, the mobile experience. Step 3. iOS and Android. Tap your screen to reveal the playback menu. Select the gear icon or the CC button, then pick your subtitle track and tap done. Pro tip: on Xbox or PlayStation, you may need to enable captions in your console's system accessibility settings. If captions look garbled, try switching the channel and back again to reset the data stream. That's it. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.